Ta-da! I made us a birthday cake. These look good. It's not perfect, but it is so cute. Saka fete, that means what's up. My name is Aliza. Welcome back. So tomorrow on the 27th of October, it's our 25th birthday. And we don't really celebrate our birthday. We'll get our hair or nails done, which we're gonna link that video down below whenever it comes out. So I decided to make our birthday a little bit special since we didn't want to go anywhere. I'm gonna make some of our favorite Dominican treats. So last night I started baking a Caribbean fruit cake, or a black cake. This is only my second time making this, so I'm about to insert that clip right now. I put in the cakes at the top, and then I put a pan of water at the bottom so the cake does not dry out. And I'm gonna leave them for about 2 hours at 300 degrees. I don't like wine, nor do I like blueberry, but this right here, this hits different. It's more like a sparkling drink or a soda. The cakes are out of the oven. They are looking a little bit dry, but we're gonna poke some holes in it and add some of the wine and rum mixture. Both of these have been poked and soaked. We're gonna cover it with a towel, leave it overnight, and check on it in the morning. It is the next morning and the cakes soaked the wine up. I'm about to make some more because we wanna keep it moist. This is the only sweet wine we have, so that's what I'm using. Last time I used white rum, this time I'm using spiced rum. So I'm about to cover these back up and leave them alone for the next few hours, and later we get to ice it, or try to ice it. And right now I'm about to attempt to make royal icing for the first time and ice the cakes and make us a little birthday cake. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna make some cheese straws. Then after that, I'm gonna make some coconut fudge. So we're just gonna make a bunch of goodies, Dominican goodies. I fucked that up. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like the taste of this. This tastes like nothing. So the first time I made this, everybody said it was dry for fruitcake. So this time around, I soaked it in more wine and it's just too soggy. It's too soggy. Also, this wine is okay, but I wouldn't use it again in fruitcake. This is my first time doing this. Let's even it out. I don't think I should have done that. This is what I saw on Cake Boss how many years ago. Here goes nothing. This is my first time. Oh my gosh. This is so messy. I would not hire me. Not so bad. I am leaving this cake alone. The other cake is on the fridge. And I am gonna color this and I guess try to do a design, I guess. Ta-da! They're all going to laugh at me. Ta-da! I made us a birthday cake. Wow. Great job, self. Thanks, self. I hope she liked it. Next up, we're gonna make some cheese straw, but since I am done with the cake, I'm about to drink this real quick. Hip, 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 hooray. How you feeling, Irie? Ew. I'm just now realizing I shredded 16 ounces of cheese instead of 8. I'm about to bag up half of this. Anytime I've used this, it didn't really turn out well, so let's see. Shit. This is the only shape I could finesse. Okay, these look good. These look good. These were in there for about 20 minutes as well. So the house needs some juice and I am about to make some lime juice. I prefer my lime juice with white sugar, but since I'm doing our favorite Dominican treats, I'm gonna keep it culturally appropriate and we're gonna make some squash. And no, I'm not talking about this squash. So the typical Dominican way of making squash or lime juice is with brown sugar. Some people make it with white sugar and I prefer it that way. But when it's made with white sugar, you can't call it squash. It's just lime juice. But if you make it with brown sugar, you could call it squash or lime juice. I used 8 limes, about 2 liters of water, about 2 cups of sugar, and some bitters, and that's how you make some squash. Lastly but not leastly, we are about to make some coconut cheese. Hands down my favorite dessert ever. I'm only gonna make half of a mixture because we already have so many sweets. So my coconut milk has been on the fridge, so the cream and the water has separated. I'm going to use half of the cream. I'm gonna use 1 can of evaporated milk, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some cane sugar. Look what time it is, my birthday. I'm about to take it out because look at that. It is really getting stuck on there and getting thick. You can already see the fudge drying up on the edge of the spatula and at the edge of the spoon. So we're gonna have to let this sit overnight so it can harden up. I'm about to break these up and put it in this jar over here. It's It's literally about to be my birthday in 5 minutes, but I've been in the kitchen for about 6.5 hours and I am tired. So I'm about to brush my teeth, go to bed, and wake up in like 5 hours to do my hair. So we actually skipped over our birthday and it is now the next day. We were getting our hair and nails done the entire day. That's a different video. I'll link that down below. Anyways, I never went back to attend to the fudge. So it's just been sitting for about 36 hours. So we're about to go check on it right now. So night before last, the fudge wasn't fudging the way it was supposed to fudge because I forgot to put the butter. But I left it alone for 36 hours and I think it's set by itself. So we're gonna like take it apart. I might have spoken a little bit too soon because some of them did not fully set. It's not perfect, but it is so cute. I'm gonna be honest, the cookie's probably gonna get thrown away because they've been here for about a week. And our friend Sade, who we got our hair done from, she got us a cookie cake. And then we have this cake, we have the iced cake on the fridge, and then we have coconut cheese and cheese straws. So them chocolate chip cookies, y'all dead. Y'all dead. I feel bad, but nobody's gonna eat them. So I'm about to do a taste test of everything. Threw the cookies away. The cake has been on the fridge for about 48 hours and it looks like ass. I won't be surprised if I just wipe off the icing off and eat the cake. First off, I'm gonna try the fruitcake. Granted, I've tried it without the icing, but I'm gonna try it with the icing, so pray for me. Too much lemon juice. It's not the worst with the icing, but it's definitely not the icing I'm used to. The cake and the icing together isn't bad. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Without the icing, I'm gonna give it a 7 because it's just a little bit too soggy for my personal liking, and I used a different wine, so I'll take that. And I'm definitely gonna wipe off all the icing. But other than that, it's honestly not that bad. I'm gonna try the cookie cake next. It's not bad. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate. Next, I'm gonna try this cheese straw. Bussin', 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 bussin'. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because I have still yet to master the perfect consistency with the perfect crunch. Mine are still a little bit soft baked, so I'm gonna give it a 7 just for that. And last but not least, I'm gonna try the coconut fudge. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10 because it's my fault. I forgot to add the butter, so it's not the perfect consistency. And I put just a little bit too much cinnamon. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see my birthday appointment video where I get my hair and nails done, I'm going to link that down below whenever it's uploaded. But again, if you liked, make sure to subscribe and positive vibrations.